You firmly press the first key. It seems to plunge a great distance into the keybed. The key lever runs from the keyboard area at the front all the way to its fulcrum point at the back of the machine. It's supported by a firm spring. As the key lever descends, a connected sublever and linkage causes the corresponding type bar to swing upwards around its own fulcrum wire. The weight of your hand, with the inherent leverage in the system, gives the type bar good momentum for a satisfying smack against the ink ribbon, paper, and cylinder, leaving a clearly stamped type imprint.